So you're here to help us communicate, bring to our Cebuanos the good news that we are having here in Cebu City, and that is the launch of our Motolite Express Hatid. Motolite Express Hatid is our delivery hotline. We have this in Manila for a number of years, and now we're bringing it to Cebu. So this service will be able to give our Cebuanos free battery checkup, free delivery, installation of batteries. We will process their warranty. We can do jump start, and on the as a bonus, we can also offer some roadside assistance like tire assistance. If kinanglan niyo tire change, gabihin na or makuan mo, we can help give that assistance. We can do overheating assistance. Diba, usahay, sasakyan na nato, inato maplano usahay, magubaan ta, mag-overheating ta. We can help you with that. And also, refueling assistance. Kung mount ng gasolina, our service in MEH can also help you solve that problem. So you see, it's more than just a marketing effort. It's convenience for our customers. And to take away, to help, we want to help you take away the worries each time you will have encountering those problems in the road. So, Camille?
Yeah, and of course, we all know that, especially, well, I've heard here in Cebu that traffic can be very bad at times, especially now that there's a lot of multiple events happening. So, the goal of Motolite Express Hatid Cebu in basic is that we want to offer you the easiest way possible for you to get your battery and the service that you need. So, no need for you to go to our physical outlets, no need for you to go out and brave the traffic of Cebu. Just call our hotline and we will deliver it directly to you. So as Sir John has mentioned, we offer battery replacement and battery checkup, tire assistance, overheating, and emergency refuel. So this is what sets us apart from our competitors, is that we offer the past service or post-sales service to you. And it has been commitment of Motolite not only for our batteries, but of course for our services, to be top of the line and of course to help the Filipinos in their battery needs.
So if ever you will have battery problems encountered here, you just have to contact our hotline. We will deliver 24/7. Our numbers are, for our landline, 032-517-6686. Our smart number is 0962-637-6639. And last, our group number is 0966-048-1862. So right now, grabe na kayo ang gamit na to sa Facebook. So if ever delete ninyo matimanan itong mga numero ha, you can just contact us in Facebook. We have a Facebook page, Motolite Express Hatid Cebu. And we also have a website, cebu.motolite.com.
Daghang salamat. We'd also like to acknowledge our marketing individual from Motolite, Aleli Moreno. Where's Aleli? Daghang salamat. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, we are now opening the floor for our Q&A. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, palihog lang ko, please. Because I'm sure you have a lot of questions about what is happening with Motolite's pangmatagalan Motolite Express Hatid Cebu.
Yeah, before we open pala the Q&A portion, we'd like to emphasize lang din po that, of course, since we're also digital right now, in terms of payment services, we still accept cash on delivery, of course, if needed, as well as online payment options such as GCash, credit cards, debit cards, and we currently have installment options for BDO. And the thing is, if you're going to purchase the battery through our Motolite Express Hatid Cebu or even to our stores, what we can also do is buy your old battery. So we call this as trade-in. This serves as our sustainability effort, not only here in Cebu but nationwide. So meaning we get your old battery, we buy your old battery, and we give you a discount for your current battery. Meaning it lessens the price of your current battery that you will buy, and it serves as sustainable because we all know that batteries are hazardous. So if you leave this at your house, if you leave this at the back of your car, it can be dangerous. So might as well, instead of throwing it away, since that's harmful to our environment, you can give it to us, we'll buy it from you, and it lessens. Kumbaga, tulong ka na sa environment, naka-menos ka pa sa battery mo. Because we all know, batteries can be quite expensive, especially if you need it biglaan. So, we're also 24/7, meaning we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our call center agents are there to help you. They will answer your calls, your inquiries via Facebook, and our trained technicians are very much there to deliver. Actually, May, can you discuss yung mga benefits of our other services, if ever?
Hello everyone, good morning. First, I'd like to discuss yung battery sales namin. So, to add dun sa sinabi ni Camille, aside from yung we buy old batteries, we actually offer yung highest price in the market when we buy old batteries. So you can get maximum discounts if you trade those batteries to us. And then we also offer battery servicing like jump start, battery check. There are instances kasi na naiiwanang bukas yung ilaw or accessories sa loob ng sasakyan. So, nadidiscarga si battery. So you can call us, we will send a technician to you para i-check nila yung batteries ninyo. So with that, we will diagnose kung ano yung naging problema. Just always be transparent to our technicians para alam kagad natin yung magiging problem. So our technicians are opening the hood of the cars and checking kung ano yung problem ng battery. Aside from checking that, if your batteries are still under warranty, and if it's seen on the diagnosis na it's a defect, you will replace for your batteries without any questions. Kumbaga, as long as you're within warranty, replace po kagad. Hindi na mahihirapan si customer. And we also have this Cherry on Top services for Motolite users that we give free for Motolite users. We have this refuel service na na-mention kanina ni Sir John. Overheat assistance and flat tire assistance. Our technicians are trained po to replace yung tires dito as long as you have spare tires po. So, yun po. And to add din, yung mga technicians that we have, trained po sila not just on technical aspects of the batteries, but also on how to handle customer issues and questions. Even yung warranty, they explain when you purchase the batteries from us. And then yung call center agents din po natin that are available 24/7. They are also trained, and if you have questions about batteries, about car air tips, they are also willing to assist you on that.
Thank you, May. And also in addition, yung sa among Motolite, we are very concerned of the environment. Camille has mentioned our efforts to trade in para to ensure that the old batteries will not cause any deterrent things to the environment. To emphasize or to reinforce our commitment, we have deployed 2 electric bikes as part of our delivery motorcycle para pag-deliver sa atong express atid orders. So that's it, sir.
Yeah, sorry sir, before we also continue, we'd also like to acknowledge our partners in the service, of course, for Motorite Express at Cebu. Because of course, we all know Cebu is quite big. We're partnering with our distributors, of course, and dealers to be part of the Motorite Express at service. So we'd like to call on our participating outlets, Motorite Cebu Battery in Liloan, Motorite ACM Battery in Center in Mandaue, Motorite Cebu Massive in Mambaling, Cebu, Bulacau, Talisay, Tabunok, Talisay, and of course, here right beside KFC, Mandaue, and Motorite CQF Banilad, Cebu City, Motorite EBRS Entire Plaza, Mandaue City, Motorite Sigurong Marketing, Cebu City, and of course, or the rest of our team. But rest assured that this initial distributors will still be Kumbaga magko-continue pa po. Will still be part of the whole Cebu na. So, actually, they're here po. We'd like to acknowledge our distributors. May we call them in front for a quick acknowledgement. So, dito po tayo. Ayan. So, let's give applause for our distributors po who's here. Who's been partners for Motolive. Here po. Ayan. So, we can...
Ma'am Jenny, ano kaya kung sa likod sila para makita yung battery sila?
Please ready your questions. We will have our Q&A right after this